How to increase withdrawal limit on Chase app. At first, open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone or tablet device. Then log in using your credentials. Then tap the menu icon located at the top left corner. Select Settings and Security from menu options displayed. Then choose ATM and debit card settings from the list provided. Tap on Withdrawal Limits or a similar option available. Select the account for which you want to increase the limit. Review the current withdrawal limit set for your account. Then just tap on Edit or Change Limit to adjust the withdrawal amount. Follow the prompts to increase the withdrawal limit as desired. Confirm the changes and your withdrawal limit will be updated. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.